As sure as the sun rises and sets, from every day's beginning to its end, Concurrent Technologies Corporation is there for our colleagues, partners, and clients. Our engineers, scientific experts, and other team members are personally invested throughout the entire product lifecycle, from the flicker of a bright idea through prototyping and production. We tap into decades of experience and deep technical expertise to address our clients' complex challenges. Our team leverages state-of-the-art equipment, laboratories, and demonstration facilities to deliver innovative, customized, full lifecycle solutions. Together with our affiliate, Enterprise Ventures Corporation, we offer the complete ability to design, develop, test, prototype, and build. While CTC's roots are in advanced engineering and manufacturing, our technical expertise spans a variety of disciplines. Our nonprofit status enables us to prioritize the right solutions over profit. Our solutions safeguard our national security, retain U.S. technological advantage, and ensure the primacy of American manufacturing. We work with valued partners in industry, government, and academia who share our vision to make the world safer and more productive.